everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and the very first time I had Drunken Noodles at our local takeout spot, I fell in love and just knew I had to make them at home. So today, I got for you the official Saucy Cat vegan Drunken Noodles. Let's get into it. My protein of choice is some extra firm tofu, which I'm gonna pat dry with a paper towel and cut into cubes. Make a mixture of soy sauce, rice vinegar, and maple syrup, and marinate the tofu for about 10 minutes. Many Drunken Noodles have scrambled eggs mixed in. While I'm choosing to omit that today, you can certainly add your own eggs or vegan egg substitute. If you do, scramble those up now and set aside while we prep our veggies. I'm keeping it simple with mushrooms, broccoli, and baby corn, but you can really use anything you have in your fridge. Carrots or peppers would be particularly amazing. Time to prepare our noodles. Traditionally, you would use wide rice noodles, but they don't seem to exist around here. So instead, I have some thin rice sticks, which should do the trick just fine. Cook your noodles per package instructions, which for me means soaking in hot water for about 8 minutes. Set a large sauté pan on the stove with some sesame oil and set to medium-high heat. Add your tofu to the pan and fry until golden brown. Set the tofu aside and mince up some ginger and garlic. Add them to the pan and sauté for about a minute. Then pour in your veggies and continue cooking for about 10 more minutes. While those veggies finish up, let's make our sauce. In a bowl, mix some sugar, soy sauce, rice vinegar, mirin, and sriracha. Let's also add a little bit of whiskey so these Drunken Noodles live up to their name. Strain out the rice noodles and add them and the tofu into the pan. Add the scrambled eggs now if you're using them. Pour in that delicious sauce and mix it all together. Let all the ingredients mingle for about 10 minutes. You want to give time for the alcohol to burn out and for the sauce to reduce. Finally, let's roughly chop some Thai basil and grab some sesame seeds. Now all that's left to do is plate this dish. And doesn't that look amazing? There is such a nice deep flavor to these noodles, and the tofu and veggies just really bring it out. That does it for today. Let me know what your favorite noodle dishes are in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. You need to get off this cutting board.
Saucy Cat, too.
Come on. You're so close. Yeah.